Hawaii's religion didn't fade, it was dismantled. For centuries, Hawaiian spirituality guided law, land, and daily life. In 1819, the kapu system was abolished by royal decree. Sacred laws, rituals, and temples were suddenly invalidated. Soon after, Christian missionaries arrived. Traditional religious practices were discouraged or condemned. Heiau, or temples, were destroyed or abandoned. Cultural rituals were labeled immoral or sinful. Practicing traditional beliefs became socially dangerous. Entire generations grew up disconnected from their spirituality. Much of Hawaiian religion survived only in secret or in fragments. Spiritual loss left scars that still remain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.